We're in Hawaii. So first things up is Costco. Oh, this is the fruit that Josh is talking about.
Where's that?
Wow, wow. So guys, here is my hotel room. Here you walk into the door and you're immediately met with the bathroom sink. And there is the toilet, here's the shower, and you have a door right here. Like that. And then here you have 2 queen beds. You have this place where you put your clothes, and you have this. This is I don't know which bed I'm gonna pick. And you have the outside. Wow, look at this. Look at that view of the roof. There's a person over there. Oh my gosh. Look at that, you get that? Wow, wow. Okay, this is their room. Is there a beach view?
Yes. Do you have one?
No. And here it is. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Nice. Wow. That's nice. This is a nice view. Wow, look at that. There's Waikiki over there. Wow. Here's their bathroom. And here's the shower. Whoa, this is small. Wow, this is the type of view where you just sit down and you just enjoy life. Wow, goodness gracious. And this is all their fruits. $150 worth. I'll show that's a fit if I've ever seen one. That's definitely a Hawaiian fit. That's a fit. I'm just sitting here with my birria taco and enjoying the Hawaiian ocean and the sunset, which you can't even see the sunset. Here's the food. Oh my gosh, we got fried rice, macadamia pancake, short ribs, and the Portuguese sausage. Going to Foodland. According to Luke, this is where you get decent poke. So here's the poke. I'm not eating any of this.
Okay. Let's try the salmon. Warm.
Of course it's warm.
It's really good though.
Is it actually good?
It's warm because the rice is...
Is it better than Bay Area?
The salmon is really good.
It's really good.
You should try it, yeah. Maybe you'll like it.
I'm pretty sure I won't like it. This is the view from the botanical garden, but there's nothing because it's raining. Disappointment! Wow! Oh!
Is it bussin'?
It's good!
Oh my, give me a napkin, man. Get Danielle? So you got Danielle.
You eat it first.
I eat it first?
Yes.
Alright, man.
This is my homie.
I didn't get any filling. Wow.
Whoa.
That's sweet.
That's sweet.
Oh my god! This is our fortress. This is Eldia. Here's Wall Rose that's destroyed. There's Wall Maria. This is Wall Sina. And there is the center of Wall Sina. Okay.
Really? It's okay.
It wasn't as life-changing as yesterday. Aloha! How's the flight?
Oh.
Really? What happened?
And behind us, there was right behind us.
Behind Hannah.
Sitting behind me, there was this lady that kept talking and talking to the people in her row for 5 hours straight, non-stop. Not even a single pause.
No, she went for a break to pee. Then I was standing there and she started, oh, there's a line. I have to stand in line. I'm like, oh my god. She's still talking. What'd she talk about? Her life.
Her life, their life.
Back at Foodland. This is a different Foodland. Look at this Foodland. This Foodland is like a Whole Foods kind of Foodland. Look at that. And there's the poke selection. Is it good? Is it good? Really good? That was an interesting face that you made. And look at the view. This is not in room view. Look, there's the ocean. Wow. Welcome to my humble abode.
You made your bed, Buddha?
Yeah.
Wow, that's more surprising.
And here's my view. Here's the view, the garden view.
Oh, look at the view. It comes with that thing?
No.
Oh, you have to buy it? You
Where's-
buy it?
Where's the lights? That's the only light.
Wow, oh, it's a big thing. Oh, it's a so big. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Wow.
Now you can see sunset.
Alright, so this is supposed to be the best butter mochi behind some dude's mochi that he sells at his house. I don't know what to expect from butter mochi.
Wow.
Whoa.
Really?
It tastes like cassava. Alright guys, so we're going on a hike and we're gonna go all the way up there to that little platform. We're at the halfway point. There it is. It's only been like 20 minutes, so I think if we were more fit, this would be an hour hike. Here we go. Get ready. Get your legs ready. We made it to the top, and this is the view. Wow! Look at that. There's Waikiki right there. There's this other random town over there. But wow, this is the one. This is the view. Here we are, chilling like a villain, eating, pigging, and enjoying this beautiful Hawaiian beach. Wow, 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 wow. We're currently waiting in line for the udon. There it is. Keeps going. Hana, was it worth it?
Not too bad.
Same. So we're gonna look at the blowhole, and this is so windy. Look at it. Look at everyone. Blowhole. Get it? Whoa! Whoa!
I've been kind of moving up every year, but
Remember it last.
Wow! 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 This is so grand. It's
Look at the fish.
That looks so
If you
fun.
say that to your friends, like, what?
Fish. I think we do in the hole.
oh no, we're facing the left.
I think you're facing the left.
Yeah.
Then we're not going to see the fish.
1075.
Yeah.
It's right here, right?
Here.
Yeah, we're facing the left.
I thought we were saving that for. Yeah, open the door.
One room. Like getting ready.
Just put one key. Just go. Whoa. Wow. Wow. All right. So here's the room tour. This is the living room. We got the dining table, the kitchen. We got the master. This is a lot like California. We got the master bedroom. We got the master bathroom with its own toilet, no bidet, and the bath that looks towards the bed.
Wait, what?
We got a shower. We got the two twin queen beds. And we got the view of the.
Open them?
You pull it up.
I did.
Oh, what the heck? And this is the outside view. Wow.
Get a sort of open view.
Kuya, are you farting?
Yes. Partial ocean view. Wow.
Yeah, partial ocean room.
And there's a wedding. There's a luau outside.
I'll see some chicken.
Wait, is this a Disney luau?
Yeah, we can watch it here.
Wow, we can watch it for free. And this is the bathroom for the extension with the queen beds. And yeah, wow. Wow. Oh, this is a cool thing too. Each card has all of our individual names. So we can keep this as like a little junk. Look at that, $450 for some poolside cabanas. You can get a hotel room for that price.